For the past month, I've been using GPT 5.5 to test its real capabilities, and in this video, I'll show you how it actually helped me to make games and app 10x faster. I will show you how I actually develop Unity games using GPT 5.5, Codex and MCP, how these two works together to write code, implement feature and speed up development faster. I will also show you my upcoming app that actually built from a single prompt. GPT 5.5 generated fully functional production level application that actually works. And finally, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how I simultaneously work on multiple games and apps with AI, allowing me to ship projects much faster than ever before. Hi there, Sumit here and welcome back to SpineOWL. To make things easy to follow, I divided this video in two sections. First, I'll show you a brand new app that I built using just a single prompt with GPT 5.5. Then I'll walk you through the entire process and explain you exactly how I created this. Second, I'll show you one of my production ready Unity game that is already available in the App Store and Play Store. I will also show you how I use MCP for UI development in Unity. Instead of manually creating every screen, I just simply provide the assets to AI and it's create every screen much faster. So as you can see here in my screen, so this app was to-do list, and to be honest, I was not an app developer, so I didn't know anything about apps, how actually it made, right? So I just simply gave a prompt like I want to make an iOS app just like to-do list, and I already provided some of the URLs of the apps which are already available in the App Store, and I simply said like create a plan. I didn't say like create, just copy and paste the app. I just simply said like go through all these URLs and create a plan for me, and you can see here that it has created a proper plan for me. Some of the feature which I even didn't think of, it has mentioned, and it has proper created a plan. Then I said like how this app gonna be different from other app, because I simply copied it otherwise, right? So it also mentioned like these are the things, these are the way how our app gonna be different from other apps which I provided as a reference. And after that, it also created plan. It has created plan like in phase, actually like in the phase 1 what all the tasks it will be done, in phase 2 how all the tasks will be done, and in the phase 3 what task will be done, right? So all the tasks will be done in phases actually. And after that, I just simply need to look into the plan, and I simply said okay, may implement it. And as you can see, it took only 7.7 minutes 38 seconds, right? And after that, you can see it has created an Xcode project, full featured working project, right? So basically what I have done, only 3 things. I I just simply gave in a goal and then shared some of the URLs of reference app, and simply said like create a plan for me. It has created a plan, and then I said okay, I just go through the plan, and after that I simply said okay, implement it, and now it is implemented. And if I run the code, if I run the Xcode project, I'll show you. So if I run the Xcode project, see, so this is the like features. You can see like all the categories showing here, right? All the task categories showing, work related tasks, study related tasks, personal tasks, everything, right? And if I click on all tasks will be shown. Then after that, you can see here setting mode. So in the setting mode, there is a AI feature, Apple AI feature is there, right? You can change the theme, you can change the color theme as well, right? And then the sound reminder it has added. And if I go in planner mode, so what it will do, basically I simply created all the plans for me, all the tasks for me, and simply click on this plan button. It will segregate according to the morning and afternoon evening routine. So that will divide into the part actually. Calendar mode is there, like what task when I did, on which month. So everything will be there as well. Focus is there. So let's say if I want to perform a particular task in a certain amount of time, that also it can done in focus mode as well. Profile is also there. So basically all the the statics I want to see, like how I've performed in this month or today or this week, actually all the stacks will be there, it will show. So I think it has done a good job actually. And to be honest, this is full-fledged app actually. Tell me in the comments, how did you like this app actually? So you see, it has created a production level app in just few prompts actually. Now let's come to the another game which I created in Unity and with the help of MCP and Codex, right? So you can see here in my screen, so you can see this URL. I'll just drop it in the comment, so you can just directly open this. So you can see that this MCP I'm gonna using CoPlay, and how just simply install, like just copy this URL, right, and go in Unity, go to the window package manager, and just simply go here and install package from git URL and paste it here and just simply install it. I already installed it, right? After the installation, what you need to do, just go in window MCP, then first of all you have to click local setup window, right? You just simply click and then done, and after that it will say like what ID you gonna use, right? So I am using Codex for now for this project, so simply select only Codex and just configure setup and just OK, right? After that again go to the MCP and toggle, this time I'm gonna use toggle MCP window. Just click here, simply click on configure. I already configured it, so click on configure, install the skills, and once the skill is got installed, what you're gonna do, just click on start server. Once server got started, then MCP is connected with your Codex. Now if I go in Codex here, right, same thing I did like for my Unity, like for Xcode project. I already gave a small prompt. It has created a plan actually for me. After that so many things like so many functionality I wanted to implement here, so I implemented. Only in this project I have created UI by myself, so you can see here in the Photoshop, because it was a kid learning game, so I created this UI, and all the home screen, gallery stuff, a gameplay screen, pop-up panel, everything, and the screenshots for the App Store and Play Store, right? And if we play the game, so let's click on the play button and go in, make it little bigger. So see this, and trust me, coding part will be done in the MCP. Coding part will be done in Codex, and the UI part is done in MCP actually with the help of MCP, and I only provided the assets only. So if I go here, about section is there, setting section is there, FAQ section is there. It's already added parents log as well. So if I just simply add age of mine, there is a already payment gateway, and these are the levels, I mean chapters actually. If I simply click here, if any of them, see your beautiful animation is playing. Just select any of the exercise. I clicked on it, and if I select any option like paint bucket, if I select, see beautiful animation is playing, coloring is happening. I can change my color palette to like this. I can erase as well, so eraser is also working fine. So this is something which, if I want to delete my art, you can delete it. Simply you can see progression is also saving. So see, this progression is also saving. So like it gave me now game development has become so much easy than ever before, and you can, basically you have to use AI in a smarter way so that you can achieve a great result actually. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. If you have any question or any suggestion, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, signing off.